Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Optima headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Kia Optima is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Then, open the hood to get a clear view of the headlight assembly from the engine bay. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's access the bulb. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws on top of the headlight assembly. Remove these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward a few inches. This gives you enough space to reach behind it. Finally, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling. With the assembly pulled forward, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing, then carefully pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position, making sure it aligns properly. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Finally, turn on your Kia Optima and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.